Hi, I'm Tom Lydon here in San Diego at the Charles Schwab Impact Conference here with John Hoffman, head of the RIA channel at Invesco. Great seeing you, John.
Tom, pleasure to be here. Great to see you.
There's been a lot of news about the flows going into ETFs again this year. Huge amount into fixed income. What's up with that?
Yeah, so let's put it in perspective. So $228 billion of net inflows this year into ETFs. 130 billion of that is in fixed income. So, nearly 60% of the flows this year in ETFs are going into fixed income. But fixed income ETFs only make up about 20% of the ETF market. So they're punching at almost 3 times the weight. Something is happening here.
It is for sure. Let's look at the plumbing a little bit because, for a long time, advisors would buy individual bonds for their clients or mutual funds that had bonds in them as well. So with all this money that's going into fixed income, what does it say about fixed income ETFs and how are they adding to the whole fixed income bond trading infrastructure?
Well, it's not a new concept, right? This idea goes back more than 15 years. And I think in the early days, this idea of taking an over-the-counter security and putting it, something that trades over the counter, and putting it on exchange, there was a lot of work that had to be done to figure that out. We're past that point of figuring it out. And you look at, the robust growth in this segment. In many ways, I think what the fixed income ETF has done is it's forced the electronification of fixed income markets. So they've gone from over-the-counter to on-screen liquidity. And to me, Tom, that is transformative. I can see out loud pricing, for bids and offers to be able to transact in the underlying security on exchange. Everybody in the world can see that real time. That is truly transformative. It's leading price discovery, and ultimately it's creating tremendous efficiency for the end client.
Do you think it's added to the confidence of the average fixed income investor?
I think it's created better ways to access fixed income markets. It's a technology. It's a technological innovation is what we're really talking about here. In many ways, it's going from analog to digital. I would draw a parallel around just crowdsourcing as well. Again, the more people that are looking at this on exchange, real time, the more efficient the pricing mechanism is going to be. And I know there's been fear out there on fixed income, but I'd point to we have gone through many periods of stressful markets. And these have held up very, very well because it is a democratic, open market, out loud, electronic, and that infrastructure is truly transformative.
And the amount of choices that you have in the fixed income area is just tremendous, and I know you folks are leaders in that space too. So congratulations, John. As always, great seeing you.
Thanks, Tom. Pleasure to see you.